In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meal planner in Replit 2026, step by step. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the meal planner skill added inside Replit and be ready to generate personalized meal ideas right from your workspace. This is quick, beginner friendly, and you won't need to write any code to get started. First, open your browser and go to the Replit website. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your projects and the AI tools. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is the hub where you can open or create projects and use Replit's built-in AI features. From the dashboard, look for the prompt box. This is the text field where you can type to the AI. Depending on your layout, it may appear along the side or bottom of the interface. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you're viewing the main workspace area. The prompt box is designed to be easily accessible so you can ask for help or run skills without leaving your current context. Next, find and click the plus sign button associated with the prompt box. This plus icon opens up ways to extend the AI with additional capabilities. When the menu appears, choose Use a Skill. Skills are pre-built helpers that guide the AI to perform a focused task with better structure and results. A skills panel will open. Scroll down until you reach the personal category. This section collects tools for everyday planning and organization. Under Personal, locate Meal Planner. Clicking this option equips the AI with a tailored framework for planning meals, so it understands formats like weekly schedules, shopping items, or dietary constraints. Once you've selected Meal Planner, you can start your prompt right away in the same prompt box. Be as specific as possible so the results fit your needs. Mention the time frame you want, like a single day or a full week. Include the number of people you're feeding, any dietary preferences or restrictions, and how much cooking time you have. You can also note budget, cuisines you enjoy, available kitchen equipment, or ingredients you already have on hand. Here's a helpful structure you can type. Create a 7-day meal plan for 2 people, vegetarian, around 30 minutes per meal, with a balanced mix of protein and fiber. Provide a concise grocery list grouped by category, and include simple prep notes for batching. Feel free to tweak the tone, level of detail, or swap in your own constraints. If the first result isn't quite right, refine your prompt. Ask for substitutions, fewer ingredients, or leftover-friendly options. The meal planner skill will adapt to your feedback and regenerate a cleaner plan. That's it. You've added the meal planner in Replit and you're ready to plan smarter, faster, and with less guesswork.